mapapanood na natin on October 2 only on Netflix, Out of Order. Thank you very much. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much. Enjoy the
And of course, my heavenly angels, maraming salamat. And yun, I can't wait to watch the film now.
Kami din lahat actually excited na kami mapanood. Ikaw naman, how does it feel na finally ito na night na tayo? Malapit na namin mapanood ko sa Netflix.
Siyempre naman ka-excite ko kasi saktong-saktos nangyayari yun.
Saktong-sakto talaga. Pwede ba kami makarinig ng konti na behind the scenes na exciting na pwede rin namin abangan sa sinehan?
Wala. Ayoko mag-spoil, so kwento mo na lang yung character ko dito.
Yes!
So ako po dito si Jennifer Teclo. Prosecutor po siya. So, yes. So, gusto makikita niyo na lang mamaya kung paano mag-turn out ang mga ganaman ko ba.
Parang first time mo mag-birthday ng prosecutor.
Yes, so kung kaba ako ng mga panahon na yun, but I did my research. First talaga kami, kumbaga.
Wow! Abangan talaga natin at for sure dahil magaling na actress si Leven. Magpapaliwala na talaga tayong prosecutor siya doon. Nagmamahal kay Miss Heaven Beralejo. Excited na ba kayong mapanood? Ang mga nagmamahal naman kay Mr. Alden Naku, yung tatanong na, parang excited naman kayong lahat mapanood. Pare-parehas tayo. I cannot wait to finally watch this. Napanood ko ba yung trailer? Grabe, diba? Talagang alam na alam yung only on Netflix. Ganun ang quality ba talaga si Direk Alden? Wow! Ganun levels talaga. Ano ba? Anong message? For our Direk Alden, first na to. Thank na.
Oo nga, Direk Alden. Grabe, congratulations. Hindi na namin alam ang tatawag sa'yo. Asia's multimedia star pa. Asia's all around na, no? Parang ang dami niya nang ginagawa. Ang dami niya ng ginagawa sa buhay. So, wala. Talagang puro pagpupugay and congratulatory message lang ang ibibigay ko kay Alden dahil siguro isang magandang ehemplo si Alden ng isang tao. Alam mo kasing mabuti, kaya alam mo maraming blessings. Yung ano na yun, talagang life has been showering him with a lot of blessings kasi he's been a blessing to a lot of people as well. At alam ko malamang mo na siya. Kaya sana ay patuloy po natin suportahan si Alden at syempre si Heaven. Napakahusay at napakaganda. So, natin sila sabi, pwede manood na ba tayo?
Oo, pwede. Pero may nakikig din namin. Please help us promote the film.
Yes, of course. Please do watch Out of Order, a film by Alden Richards, starring Helen Beralejo, Mr. Moni Benjamino, and Mr. Alden Richards. October 2, only on Netflix.
Very Miss Mommy. Good
Thank you.
Explanation lang, pwede naman po mag-explain, Your Honor. It has been 2 years because we decided, the whole team, Viva and Miriam decided that we should take the festival route first for the film to gain recognition and to give the film more premium. So we premiered in Danang, Vietnam po, first quarter of the year. And then by November, in competition po ang Out of Order sa Jagran Film Festival sa Mumbai, India. So pupunta rin po tayo doon. And gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, especially sa lahat po nang inimbita namin ng last minute but you said yes. Thank you po. Thank you po for supporting me.
Ang friends ng cast, Lalo Avila. Ayan, tabi-tabi lang tayo. Friendships, okay. Para kasya ang ating cast. Okay, there's Miss Francine is also here. Meaning ng mga tayong cast members, thank you very much. Again, ita.
I can trust.
You were arrested for murdering a trans woman. Did you do it?
Pero siguro dahil mo nang napanalong kaso, no? Siguro pag dumadating ka, nangangatog-ngatog pa yung mga prosecutor.
Attorney Jennifer Templo, most respectfully appearing for the state.
How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Tabi!
A person is innocent until proven guilty beyond all reasonable doubt. Kaya yun ang trabaho natin. Ang maipakitang may reasonable doubt. Kapatay mo rin ba kami?
Good friend Joyce Jake, grabe. Napakahusay. Sana makatrabaho ko silang dalawa, si Alden at si Joyce.
Last na lang, pwedeng invite lang ibang people to watch.
Yes, guys, please do watch Out of Order. October 2 na po yan, only on Netflix.
Thank you so much
Thank
po.
you, thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Good friend Joyce.